and welcome to week 6. How was week 5 for you? Were you able to plan at least 2 meals and 3 snacks ahead of time? If you have any comments or questions, please comment below. This week we're going to talk about social support and overcoming barriers. Let's get started.
What is social support? In the simplest terms, social support is physical and emotional comfort given to us by our family, friends, coworkers, and others. Who is your social support? Perhaps a close friend, or a spouse, or even a parent. There are 4 types of social support. Let's go over the first one, emotional support, together. Emotional support is someone who expresses empathy, love, trust, and the ability to be caring. Some examples of an emotional support system might include an accountability partner. This person can give you the emotional support you need to keep on track with your goals. Most likely, this person has the same goals as you do, so you're going through the same challenges together. Another example would be someone you could call that supports your healthy lifestyle changes. This person might not be your accountability partner. Perhaps this person has a different stage in life or lifestyle changes, but he or she will always give you emotional support. Our second type of social support is instrumental support. Instrumental support can be described as tangible aid and/or service. Some examples of instrumental support might include one-on-one instruction from a personal trainer, working with a wellness coach, or nutritional guidance from a certified dietitian or nutritionist. The third example of social support is informational support. Informational support is one who contributes advice, suggestions, and information. Some examples of an informational support system might include reliable and professional sources, such as personal trainers, wellness coaches, physicians, nutritionists, or a virtual health and well-being community. Support is appraisal support. Appraisal support can be described as feedback, self-evaluation, or another person's perspective. Some examples of appraisal support might include constructive feedback from others, positive self-evaluation in regards to your health and wellness goals, and a professional re-evaluation with a physician or fitness professional. Now let's talk about barriers in regards to social support within health and wellness. First, what are barriers? Barriers are obstacles that prevent movement or access. 2 questions. If you need to pause the video, go right ahead. The first question I have for you is, what are your social support barriers? And what are some solutions to those barriers? Let's go over some common barriers and their solutions together. One common barrier might be the lack of emotional support from friends or family members. One solution to that would be to join a virtual or in-person support group. Our second barrier that we'll be talking about is the barrier of lacking financial resources for instrumental support. Some solutions to that might include participating in free online classes that support health and wellness. Another barrier that we are going to discuss is the barrier of uncertainty about what information is correct in regards to informational support. One solution to that is to cross-check information with a health, fitness, or wellness professional. The last barrier that I'll be discussing with you is the barrier of negative self-evaluation. It is easy to focus on things that aren't going well versus our accomplishments. My solution to that is to give yourself positive, constructive evaluations. Use the PGP method. Something positive that is going on, something that you need to grow on, and always finish with a positive. Thank you for watching. Please share your ideas and tips on our Wellbeing Transformation Yammer page.